Weatherproofing your home keeps the cold out and the warmth in, saving energy and money. By protecting against leaks and drafts, we ensure a comfortable and healthy environment, making your home a happy place, rain or shine. But what are the right products to use?
Hi there, I'm Shane Brown. Today we're at the home of Jessica Selvin, discussing weatherproofing our homes. Whether you're a seasoned DIYer or just starting out, understanding the right products makes all the difference in the world.
Hey Shane.
Hey Jessica.
Hey, come on in. So I just wanted to have you over to check out a couple things. With all the changing seasons and everything, I just want to make sure that our home is protected.
Absolutely, that's a great idea. Weatherproofing your house seals up all the gaps and cracks, keeps those sneaky breezes outside where they belong.
Well, that's great, because I do have several areas of concern. Number one, around the air conditioning unit, it needs to be sealed up a little bit. And then on the back of the house, the window, every time it rains, it tends to leak. And then of course, by the front door, always super drafty.
Right.
I probably should check for leaks more often, to be honest, but it does make total logical sense that if you seal the interior and the exterior of your home, you're probably gonna save money on your energy bills and make your home more durable.
Absolutely. By sealing the gaps, insulating your home means your heating and cooling systems don't have to work so hard, saving you money and the planet. And with GE Sealants, you can trust that your home is getting the best protection. Come on, let's go take care of those problems once and for all.
So I want to go ahead and show you what we're working with this window right here.
Oh boy, I've seen this many times. Proper weatherproofing helps keep mold and mildew at bay, all the while protecting your family's health and your structure. Let's start with GE Window and Door Foam Sealant. This product is perfect for sealing gaps around windows and doors, preventing drafts and moisture from entering your home. Its strong adhesion ensures a long-lasting seal, keeping your home comfortable and energy efficient.
So Shane, I've heard that weatherproofing could potentially also reduce outside noise?
Absolutely. Weatherproofing acts as a sound barrier which reduces outside noise, which gives you guys a more peaceful living environment. As seasons change, your house moves, so you need flexible silicone with good adhesion for a durable seal. GE Sealants are my #1 choice. You can't go wrong with this product, and it's also perfect for areas with extreme weather conditions, providing a reliable seal that lasts.
So we have some drafty windows and doors also. Will this help with that?
Absolutely. GE Supreme Silicone products are great for reducing drafts. It forms a strong waterproof seal that will protect your home from water damage. These products are 100% silicone, meaning they're extremely durable, permanently flexible, and shrink and crack proof. It's easy to use and provides an excellent seal for your home.
So these products really can help reduce my energy bills?
Got that right. By sealing all those gaps and cracks, not only are you making your home more efficient, you're also reducing your carbon footprint. Invest in your home's future. Weatherizing not only makes your home more comfortable and efficient, but also adds value, making your biggest investment safer, more comfortable, and more appealing than ever.
GE Sealants. Your house is now sealed for good.